Here's a project for Richard's truck. Nice little aftermarket bumper here for a buddy of mine. I got it for $500. Just buffing down the surface, sanding it, getting the surface smooth and prepped. I'm using first a 40 grit to get through the top cover of this shit, and then I'm going from a 40 down to a 180, and then we'll go down to a 400. I mean, if you're gonna make it look pretty, you might as well try your best. And he had some dozy doorknob in a Volkswagen, put her car into reverse and back into his truck. Didn't really wreck his bump, but did screw up the fog lights. And she can't get the fog lights in this son of a bitch. If she bends these, she's bent this. Sanded, sprayed it. She's been sitting in here, and I've had the super blaster, you know, make it hot as Hades in here. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Shush. 2 weeks. Anyway, 2 weeks. The mounts should be in. Paint. See it right there in the instructions? Yep, me too. Who reads them? Come on, it's paint. We spray it on and we hope like hell it works. A mid coat. I've got base coat. Base coat goes on first, then the mid coat, then the clear coat. Damn, that's a little tacky still, just like my jokes. But damn. But I mean, I can already see the pearls coming out of this. I mean, look at the instructions right there. It says it. You see it? Yeah. And that's got the clear coat on it. It's shiny. Oh my God, you almost want to kiss it. It's still wet. 3 of these cans is $100. I bought 2 because I had no idea how bad I was going to mess this up or not. I'm real happy. Now, now if it matches the truck when the truck shows up here, shouldn't have touched. What do you do when you fuck up? Bone me over a fucking pile of corn cobs. Frick me in the afternoon. And now messed it all up. Well, today is the day. That thing is going away. Mr. Richard is already outside here. Oh, look at that. He's got the workbench already out here.
Oh, hi. Hi.
So you can feel involved. We're just sizing up. But we gotta remove those and the bumper mount. As chintzy and light as that is. There's 3 bolts there. There's 4 that were on whatever that was. Same over there. So there, front bumper's off. So what we did is we took the wiring harness for the pod lights in there, the driving lights. Took that harness off. It's lying right there. So we have a harness to go with when we build the new lights. Pokey stainless steel wire. Whose idea was this? The light grill protector. They used to sell these for round headlights for semi-trucks, right? Motherless son of a goat-sucking son of a... So, it's got 4 bolts. We're going to put this in behind those. Tighten her all down. And that'll protect the lights from rocks. One did the bezels there.
got the black goo. It's not something penicillin can cure. You don't want the black goo.
Don't look at that. Ah, look at the bumper on there. Okay. Uh-oh. Got some fishing lights. Holy Jesus, son of a goat sucking son of a Jesus, mother of God. Oh, that's not so bad. Now the foggers. Oh yeah. Low beam. Those ones got a high beam and a low beam, by the way. Now the big ones. Oh, frick me. I think my burning my arse out of here. It's not so bad. Okay. Just freaking come here. Okay. Little ones. Woo. Okay, off. Big ones. Woo. This really is you've already stood in front of it, seeing how blinding they are. Okay, all of them. Let the headlights do. There we go. There you go. Now, if you can't see a deer in that, you're freaking blind anyway.